and then some people go up here. I would not highlight because of my age. I would not highlight right here because that's where I also have wrinkles, and highlighting highlights. So you don't want to highlight your wrinkles. Alright, so that's that. I'm going to go ahead and close the mirror down, and then let's look at this. Here you have, obviously, a very nice little set of blushers. So obviously, you know, just pick your blusher. I'm wearing more warm tones, so I would go to this peachier color, smile, and just dot it, and then kind of go straight up and down, almost like a, what am I trying to say? A angle. Some people go this way, almost like it's horizontal. You really need to go this way, almost like it's vertical. But after you kind of dot out the cheek. Do you see the difference? This is much more blushy looking. And you also can run it down your nose if you feel like it would actually calm down the look of the nose, and on the bulbous part of the chin, and then the two jowly places. This is a very effervescent pink. Let's see how this one looks. Smile again, and then straight up and down. Because you're going to have your bronzer back here, so let's just go ahead. Why don't I go ahead? Use the same brush, actually, just the butt end of it, and just kind of do the underside. Not much. You don't need much. And right here on the brow, on the outer temple area. Just this outer temple area. And then right under your chin, and dust it down, especially the jowls. There, there. And you can see that just turned out very nice. And this is just plain on top of makeup I already have. So I do feel like it's really good stuff, y'all. I feel like you really could take this on a trip. You know, weekend away, or, you know, just if you want to keep things easy in your own home. This has kind of got everything. And then, of course, these are blending powders, which if you want to do that, you can. Let's just grab, I'm going to grab a dual fiber, and we'll just use, I'm going to use the blending right on either side of the nose. Kind of blend out that blush, and just kind of make sure it does well. And it does. It softens it back up. So what do y'all think? What do you think of Swoosh? They want to make sure you have a full base. And what I'll do is I'll go ahead and do a link to this below so that you can look at it. It says it's powered by Pro Girl. It's cruelty-free, no animal testing, paraben-free, dermatologist tested. And this is FOF medium light. So this is the number 2 palette. I guess the number 1 probably is even lighter, and I don't remember how many there are, but I would think there's maybe one shade that would go a little darker as well. But again, if you remember, you have several colors to choose, or not several, you've got more than one color, which means 2 colors. So here, see how you've got these 2 powders to blend everything out with, 2 colors of blush. Highlight doesn't matter. Because it's probably a shimmery highlight. It is. It's a little pink tone, and which would be why I chose this palette. And then here you've got, actually it's only 1 contour color, but that would work for many, many skin colors. And then I'm not quite sure why they thought that would be contour. That would be a very, 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 very pale person if that was contour. I'm trying to see. Yeah, it almost serves like a matte contouring agent. So no highlighting, just using lighter colors without it being highlighting, meaning shimmer. But there are 2 concealer colors, and these are very universal colors as well. So anyway, I feel very happy with this. I feel like I have bought this before, y'all. Matter of fact, if I go back in my videos, I bet I have. I bet I have bought this before. But anyway, where are we? Let's just see. Have I run over like usual? I have by 4 minutes. So what that means is, you know what it means to me. Whenever I run over, I consider an opportunity to stay on. And then run over again. And then I go from 2 parts to 3 parts to 4 parts. No, I'm just kidding. I have done that, but not necessarily from running over. Sometimes it's because it takes that long. But I am fixing to film on my Beth Buchanan Pure Bible channel a Bible study that we're starting on women of the Bible. And if you're a man, you can still always look at studies about women in the Bible. That doesn't make you effeminate or anything like that. It just means that you're understanding how God used women, and I think men should know that, just like women should understand how God used men. So I think it's very important. So I would hope that you would be look over there at Beth Buchanan Pure Bible and look at that new Bible study that I'm fixing to start. And I'll be using this new Bible. It's called the A Woman After God's Own Heart Bible, and some other study notes and stuff. But also I am going to be putting together tomorrow the giveaway sets. So each giveaway will have a Bible, probably will have a notebook, and probably will have a devotional of some sort, and then also some sort of makeup factor, because let's admit it, we all love the makeup side of this. So I'm trying to decide, and really I need to pray about this. Do I post the link here, or do I post the link on the Beth Buchanan Pure Bible? I don't know. So, because I'm trying to encourage people to win a Bible and get these Bibles out of here. I've got plenty of Bibles. Y'all need them. And they are incredible Bibles. So, y'all know me. I'm going to give you a good study Bible. So, anyway, I guess that's it. And I will just make this one short, which isn't like me at all. But I will tell you, normally it's just late, so I'm not going to do this. It's late in the day. I use Seal the Deal, Flower Seal the Deal, which is from flowerbeauty.com. And this is the best face finishing spray I've ever had, because it definitely does meld the makeup together and does give a glow. And at any age, it just makes you look younger. It really does. So this is, I need to order me some more. As a matter of fact, I think I talked y'all about this before, and when I went to the website, y'all, they were sold out. And they had been sold out for a long time, so I hope they're going to bring this back, because, of course, I find something I absolutely love, and they've stopped carrying it. I don't know. No. I hope that's not the case. The only other thing I wanted to show you was the last time I went to Books A Million, I got one of these. Do y'all know what this is? This is the best. I absolutely love this. And I could go out into another world while I'm talking to you. Y'all, this feels so good. Some people say it makes them feel crazy, like my husband can't use this. I feel like this is it's just wire with little protective, probably like plastic on the ends. But it's just the way that it goes down on your scalp, and it's not your own hand, and for some reason when it's not your own hand, it just feels, one thing, I've got eczema. I think I'm going to a dermatologist to see, but I think so, and so it's helping with itching, but also just the massage wise, you can do it like that. It just feels so good. And also it's the best lift for your hair, just to do that and then fix it. What do y'all think? Anyway, I love you guys. Oh, also, I did my Color Street nails, and I did Tokyo lights. And y'all, this is so pretty. It's just a golden shimmer with some rose gold specks in it. And it's just pretty, especially as my hands get more arthritic and I've got more of these knots in my hands. And y'all know I had a reaction to S&S nails, and now I can't do any kind of nails at a salon. Plus, with COVID, I just wouldn't want to go in one right now. But, just because, why take the risk? But, I do for my hair, though. I haven't much. I've only been a couple of times in the past 2 years, and you could definitely tell. But now it's, it was recent. So, and they're very, very careful. They wear a mask. I wear a mask. I wear an N95 mask. I know my mask works. But also they have spacing. They've moved stations out in between where they were closer together. Now they're more than 10 feet apart. And, they have to do the not testing, but, do the test of, have you done this, this, and this? And they're honest about it. I trust them, so I go to them. Salons, nail salons, not as much, to be honest with you, and just, I can't go anymore anyways. It just won't work. So I'm doing Color Street nails. So y'all comment below if you're interested in that. It's so easy, y'all. Comment below if you'd like to see me apply them, because you literally peel off the backing, peel it on. It's not hard, it's soft. It goes over your nail, and it's actual nail polish on a gel sticker. And so when you stick it on, it melts to your nail, and it kind of melts into it, and they're on. And they're on. You can't wash your hands for like 30 minutes because you can't get them wet, because it's actually like nail polish, but you don't have to worry about it, you know, being touch sensitive, because it's already pre-dried in the sticker thing. So, and then also sometimes if I really like it and I feel like it hasn't grown out that much, I'll go ahead and put a coat of top coat over it, and it lasts like, you know, as long as my nail salon nails used to last. So, but anyway, it just makes me feel like I can do something. And I gotta tell you, my nails are growing out from having used this. I mean, better than what they were before. And as my fingers are getting more knotty the past couple of months, I've noticed that. It's just a time in your life you start noticing, okay, yesterday that knot wasn't there and today it is. But at least I can still have fun with my nails, and I want to do that because I like having nails. And also, as much as I type from home now, I'm not needing the long nails right now. I can do the press-on ones from the drugstore, but I almost felt like tearing them off at one point. I did that 2 weeks ago. And I felt like taking them off because I couldn't do anything. And I need to be able to do things at home now more than when I was in the office. So anyway, those are my thoughts for the day. I love y'all, and I'll talk to you again soon. Bye!